Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel. Hope all are doing good. Viewers, today in this video there is a job opportunities from 7 companies and they are conducting walk-in interviews. So let's get started. Viewers, first is Anora and they are hiring in different department. Viewers, quality control, formulation, production department, analytical development department. So in quality control department, viewers, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MSc students can apply. Minimum 2 years experience is mandatory. Next, production department, diploma, BSc, MSc, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy candidates are eligible. Minimum 2 years experience is mandatory. Analytical development department, M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy, MSc students are eligible. Minimum 2 years experience. And they are conducting walk-in interview on 11th February 2021 on Thursday in the following address. So interested candidates can attend the interview. Vias next, Aurobindo Pharma Limited is hiring Vias. They are hiring staff and executive positions. Those who have completed MSc are eligible for this position. Interested candidates can send their resume to following email ID. And candidate need to possess excellent knowledge regarding good laboratory practices, cleaning method verification, validation, cleaning and sample analysis. Interested candidates, those who have completed MSc, can mail their resume. Vias next, Honor Lab Limited, Bontanapalli. They are hiring in different department. Vias production department, quality control department. In production department, those who have completed BSc, BTech Chemical, BSc, MSc, BTech Chemical can apply for this position. Vias both freshers and experienced candidate. In quality control department, MSc candidates are eligible. They are conducting walk-in interview on 13th February, 14th February, 10:30 a.m. to 3:30 p.m. So those who are interested can attend walk-in interview by carrying all relevant documents in following address. Vias next, Optics Laboratory Private Limited is hiring Vias in production department. Chemist, junior chemist, senior chemist, junior executive, executive positions. Those who have completed DCE, BSc, MSc with chemistry are eligible, both freshers and experience. They are conducting walk-in interview Vias on 10th February to 13th February. Interview timing is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. Interested candidates can carry their updated CV, passport size photographs, recent incremental letters, pay slips in the following address. So interested candidates can attend the interview. Vias next, O2H company is hiring Vias research associate senior scientist position. Minimum 1 year experience is mandatory. Candidates who have completed MSc, B Pharmacy, PhD are eligible for this position. They are conducting walk-in interview on 13th February, Saturday, 9:30 a.m. to 5 p.m. in the following address. So interested candidates carry updated resume, recent passport size photographs, recent pay slips. Vias next, in TAS company is hiring in the packaging department. Position is officer, senior officer, executive position Vias, technician position. For technician position, candidates who have completed diploma, ITI, BSc are eligible. Minimum 2 years experience is mandatory. For officer, senior officer, executive positions, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy candidates can apply. Interested candidates can mail their resume to following email ID, and even they clearly mentioned that virtual telephonic interview scheduled on 25th February 2021. Interested candidates can mail their resume. Vias next, walk-in interview in Gland Pharma for API production, chemist positions for selected candidate. Salary is 3,50,000 per annum. 1 to 5 years experience candidates can apply. Work location Visakhapatnam. 11th February, 9:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. they are conducting walk-in interviews. Desired candidate profile. Qualification: BSc, MSc candidates can apply for this position. Candidate need to carry updated resume, educational certificates, recent incremental letters, pay slips, supporting bank account statement, PAN card, Aadhaar card copy. And interview venue is following thing. Walk-in venue details. Interested candidates can attend walk-in interview. Hope this video is useful for you viewers. Viewers, please do like the video so that it will reach to needy people who are in search of job. Thank you very much and all the best for your upcoming interviews, and please do subscribe channel and hit the bell icon to receive all recent job updates time to time. Thank you very much viewers.